A lentil casserole thingy majiggy. We just have a lot of food here, so it's all going in the one pot. This is going to be a nice winter warmer. Mushroom, carrot, celery. And I'm going to transfer, I think, to my big pot. This is my diced potato, which I just put into water. And I'll strain that. Got some lentils, which I've soaked in water for a little bit. I got some tomato puree to get rid of. Hot water. Gourmet Spanish paste. Trying to get rid of it. Beef vegeta. There we go. I'll put in some salt now. It's going to need some salt. Ajvar, pepper and eggplant spread. Capsicum spread. Beautiful. Diced sausage. Just leftover sausage meat. And I've got some chicken I already cooked up. Let's plate this little baby up just in a little bowl. See how thick that is. And that's it, folks. Just a nice thick stew. Just do a little taste test, guys. Nice hearty casserole for the fam. Yeah, that is just a super hearty casserole. Mwah, delicious. Thanks for watching. See you next time. God bless. Take care. Ciao, ciao, ciao.